Soumela Monastery History and Mysteries. In the unique nature of the Black Sea, a monastery standing as if hanging on the cave walls draws attention with its historical and spiritual importance. Soumela Monastery. This monastery is located in the Turkish province of Trabzon and has fascinated visitors for thousands of years, with its mystical atmosphere. However, the purpose of the monastery's construction and its mysterious past holds an interesting story that goes deep into history. Purpose and history. Soumela Monastery is a Byzantine monastery dedicated to the Virgin Mary. It was founded in approximately the 4th century AD as a reaction against the military and political authorities of the time. The monastery was built on a difficult mountainous terrain, a choice that was probably made to ensure that the monastery was a hidden and protected place. The monastery has been expanded over time and has undergone repairs at various periods. Mysterious events and legends. Spiritual miracles. Many legends surround the Soumela Monastery. According to legend, the monks of the monastery could heal diseases and perform miracles with their prayers. Some visitors have heard strange noises and encountered invisible beings inside the monastery, which are considered to be an indication of the mystical energy of the monastery. Icons under protection. The icons on the walls of the monastery, which have been preserved for centuries, have been believed to be protected from various dangers from time to time. Those who believe that Soumela Monastery was sacred thought that the natural disasters that occurred around these icons stopped without harming the monastery. Mysterious spring and water. There are beliefs that the spring water around the monastery cures illnesses and that bathing in the water in particular heals people. The source of this water is still a mystery and local legends associate it with spiritual powers. Soumela Monastery in modern times. Today, Soumela Monastery is open for visitors and is seen as both a historical and spiritual center. However, the influx of tourism and structural conservation needs pose some challenges to preserve the original spirit of the monastery. Restoration work over the years has been of great importance to ensure the survival of the monastery. Soumela Monastery carries the traces of the past and offers its visitors a mystical experience where nature and history merge. The mysterious past and spiritual atmosphere of this monastery make it one of the unique treasures of the Black Sea.